Now, we're talking about structure of candles, okay? We already know that the bearish candle signifies that we have a lot of sellers, and the bullish candle represents that we have a lot of buyers. But that is not all you need to know. So I'm going to explain all of these things to you practically right now. Now, here we have the high. Can you see? Here we have the high. Now, what this tells us is a part of the candlestick. It tells us where exactly was the highest point price got to. Okay, meaning that at this point, price got up to this point here. That is the highest point that what price went up to. Do you see it now? The highest point that price got to. That is it. Clear and simple. Now, the next is what we call the open. Now, the open is a clear indication of the point at which a new candle opened on your chart. Now, I'm going to show you practically on the 1 minute time frame. I'll wait patiently so that you see the word open price of a new candle. So let's go over to Binance right now. Then we'll come back here again and then check the close, and you get a real definition of what I'm saying. So guys, this is the 1 minute time frame. You can see we have this candlestick right here. We have a candlestick right here. Can you see it? We have a candlestick right there. So let's wait for this candle, this candle to be what? Closed. Now it has closed. Can you see it? It has closed. A new candle has opened. Look at what I'm saying. A new candle has opened, which is this one right here. Okay, look at it. A new candle has what? Opened. That's a new candle that has been opened right now. Let's wait for it to what? Move. It's going to move, and you see it clearly. Can you see it? It's moving. So at the point where it opened, that place is what we call the opening price. Can you see it? It has even formed a wick. So we'll go back again. It has formed a shadow now. It's on 1 minute. So definitely it's moving. Can you see it? So we're going to go back now after this candle closes. Good. You can see it has closed. Another one has opened after every 1 minute. Can you see it? If we go to 5 minutes now, for example, let me say 5 minutes, or let's just wait. Let's see how this plays out. You can see another candle has what? Opened. After every 1 minute, it will what? Open. If we wait patiently now, another candle will open again after 1 minute. So basically, this is what candlestick is all about. So we'll go back there right now after a new candle is formed. Let's just be patient. 60 seconds won't take any it won't do us any harm. Okay, I just want you guys to have a clear definition and understanding of what we're doing. All right, this is for the newbies. Now after 1 minute, now this candle will what? It will close. Now can you see it? It has closed. I had to pause the video so not to waste your time. It has closed. Can you see? And now look at what happened here. Price started from this point again. After the candle closed, price opened from that point. A new candle opened from the previous close. Can you see it? Which is somewhere here. You see, that's the point at which the price closed for that candle. And then the new candle now opened right on that same point. So now let's go back to where we were. So I just explained what the open price is. Is the price at which a new candle opens after a previous candle has been closed, and you saw it live and direct for yourself just now. Now the close on the other end, The close on the other end, right here, is showing you where price closed. The price at which what price closed for that word given time frame. And now the low at this point here is showing you the very lowest point that price what went down to. This is the very lowest point that what price went down to. Now, having understood all of these things, okay, you've understood them clearly, you now have a basic understanding. The next thing I want to teach you is the body of the candle. We have the body of the candle, which is this. We have the body of the candle. And then we have the shadow. We have a lower shadow, which is this. This is the upper shadow, sorry. This is lower shadow. The both of them here are the lower shadows. These are all lower shadows. Then these are what we call the upper shadows. It can also be called the wick of a candle. Okay? Now, I'm going to pause this video and show you a live demonstration of a real candle, so you understand this very, very clearly. You know, when I teach very pragmatically so that you see it real life the way it is and why it's called a candle. Now, can you see, look at what I'm saying. Can you see this is what we call a real life candle? Can you see it looks like the one we saw before? It has a body, okay, and it has a wick, which is the shadow. Okay, so this is how it works. So I'm going to take you back again. I'm just showing you a real life example why it's called a candlestick, because it's a candle. Okay, so I'm taking you back there right now so that you see for yourself. So now we understand why it's called a candle, right? We now know that we have the body and of course we have the shadow. Now this shadow is showing us that there's price rejection. This shadow right here showing us that there's what? Price rejection. Price rejection. Price rejection. And price rejection. Now, I will take you into Binance now so that you see why this is called price rejection. And mind you, the size of every given candle can show you the intensity of what? Buying pressure and selling pressure. So write this down. The size and shape of a candle will show you the buying, or rather the intensity of buying and what? Selling pressure. Do you get it now? So I'm going to show you live and direct on Binance or on TradingView why this is called a rejection. Okay, so now let's go, guys.